When a house has just been painted, people want to keep that new finished look, so they often ask how to keep the mold and mildew away. It really starts before you paint. The mold and mildew have to be cleared away before new paint is applied. Then the paint itself should contain a mildewcide. Many brands make it part of their formula, or it can be mixed in as an additive at the paint counter. Even with these precautions, the mold and mildew will eventually return. At the first sign of new growth, apply a mold remover like the one from Wet and Forget. It's non-caustic, non-acidic, and contains no bleach, so it won't damage your new paint. You simply apply it to a dry surface and let it go to work. No scrubbing, rinsing, or pressure washing necessary. It works with the rain and the wind to gently remove mold, mildew, and algae over time. And while the cleaning is gentle, it's also thorough, so it lasts up to a year or more. Then simply reapply it to keep your house looking like you just painted it.